Imagine if every day was just a little bit better for everyone.
Hey, let's talk probiotics.
Digestive health? Erin Andrews?
Yeah, and did you know TrueBiotics is a daily probiotic that helps in 2 ways? It supports digestion and immune health by working in your gut, where 70% of your immune system lives. Now in chewables.
I can see clearly now, the rain is gone.
Non-drowsy Children's Claritin relieves kids' worst allergy symptoms for 24 hours.
Plus, it's the #1 pediatrician recommended non-drowsy brand.
Gonna be a bright, sunshiny day.
Birds do it, bees do it, even educated plants do it. Bring KY into your love nest. Let's fall in love.
Well, there won't be enough blood left in his brain to think anything.
He's a pig. All men are pigs.
Jackie, you're just saying that because you don't have a date for the wedding tomorrow and everyone else does.
What's your point, Crystal?